Wind turbine towers constantly sway and oscillate after installation, putting traditional fasteners like welded studs and shot pins at risk of breaking. Strict safety regulations prohibit welding, drilling, or other destructive methods, as these can compromise the tower's structure, shorten its lifespan, and even cause fire hazards. Weizhong Magnetics offers an innovative and efficient solution with magnetic fastening technology. Whether it's for securing ladders, cables, or other interior components, our magnetic products ensure a strong and reliable installation, eliminating the need for welding or drilling. Our 8M magnet is a reliable option with strong magnetic force, making it well suited for ladder installation. In addition, our magnetic solutions offer practical and efficient fixation options for cable management and other components within the tower. For exterior applications, we also provide adaptable magnetic solutions to support a variety of needs. The 8M magnet has received industry certification and is the preferred, the choice of leading industry giants, showcasing its reliability and professionalism. Weizhong Magnetics, your trusted partner in magnetic fastening solutions, providing safer, more efficient, and more reliable fixation methods for the wind power industry. Contact us today to learn more.